Hey there, it's Jamie from Schedulicity. In this video, I want to go over personal time. Personal time is a great way to schedule time off. You can block off time for things such as meetings, lunch, or even if you need to take a nap. You can also use personal time to split shifts during your day, with a few hours available in the morning and then a few more hours in the afternoon or evening. There are two types of personal time blocks that you can add to your schedule: recurring and one-time personal time. Recurring time blocks are blackout times that recur on a daily or weekly basis. For example, your lunch break that you take every day at 12 p.m., a standing appointment. One-time personal time blocks are a single occurrence that happen on a specific day. For example, on August 3rd, you have a dentist appointment at 3 p.m. To add a recurring personal time block, open your appointment calendar and click directly into the date and time that you want a recurring time block. Go ahead and click on the personal time button at the top right of the page. Specify how long of a break you need, and you can add a description too that will show right on your calendar. You'll notice the option to make this break recurring, every Tuesday, every other Saturday, etc. You can set this up to occur once a week, every other week, every fifth week, whatever you need. If you'd like to choose a color for the personal time block on the calendar, just select one and click Add. To add a one-time personal time block, open your appointment calendar and click directly into the date and time that you want to create this block. Click on the personal time button at the top right of the page, and then specify how long of a break you need. You can add a description too that will show right on your calendar. If you'd like to choose a color for the personal time block on the calendar, select one and then click Add. As you may know, you'll have the ability to book appointments during these block times, but clients won't. And just a heads up, if you currently share your Schedulicity calendar to other calendar apps, such as Google or Outlook, your personal time blocks will not be shared. If you just want to block off a chunk of time so clients can't book, then personal time is just what you need. Thanks so much for watching, and please feel free to reach out to us at support@schedulicity.com if you have any questions. Personal time is a great way to add blocks in your schedule. I tried to just wing it. I just need to say, oh, that was right, darn it. Was my face like confused? And just a heads up, if you currently share your Schedulicity calendar with other scheduling apps, no, you won't do that. You will not do that. You don't have other scheduling apps. One-time personal time blocks are one-time occurrences. That's weird. Let's not say that.